and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today is another Beetles Gel Polish 20 mini piece collection. It's the unicorn kit. I had to check all of the kits because I did notice one thing with Beetles. They don't put the name of their kit of what you're buying. Like obviously when you're buying it you know what it is, but they don't put the names of their kits. So when I had PR, I was like, I don't know which one this is. So I sat on Amazon comparing all the colour swatches and I finally figured out that it was the unicorn one. And let me tell you, it is absolutely stunning. So okay, you do get the base coat, the top coat and the matte top coat as always. And I absolutely love Beetles matte and top coat. Of course, base coats I find are very similar with all base coats. So they were all the colours. They are like a lot of numbers and letters, okay? So yeah, so there's 20 pieces in each. They are 5 milliliters each. These are the mini ones. And I love this. I thought that I was happy when they brought out Mermaid, was it Mayhem, or I can't remember. Not Mermaid Mayhem. It's something else. But the Mermaid one, I thought I was happy when they brought that out, and thought I was happy when they brought out Kaleidoscope. No, this one is even. Oh, I'm not going to say better. I think they're just as good. So you get a couple of glitters. You get a couple of solid, like bright neon colours. You get some pastels, and you guys know me. I love my colours and my glitters. So right now I'm just swatching. So you'll have to mind the light in the second. The light keeps like coming across the desk because my window, the curtains were wide open. It was in the middle of it's the afternoon, and it's been really hot and sunny lately. My desk, the back of my, like, the window faces my desk, if that makes sense. My desk faces the wall in the corner, and the window shines right onto me. So the sun was glaring through. Yay. It was actually boiling. I ended up closing the curtains in a second. So anyway, as I was saying, these gel polishes are really nice to work with. They're really creamy, and they're one coat coverage. The glitter ones you might need 2 coats, but I'm absolutely loving the shifting ones. This one here is more of a topper. The camera doesn't give it justice. So you can see that one, the 4th one I think it is like a shift from like green to pink. That the next glitter, I can't count today, the 8th one is like a purpley colour with blues and pinks, and it's like a hot fiery orangey light toned red shift. The one next to that one is a blue and yellow shift, I believe. I can't quite remember. It's hard to look at the camera because no matter what you do with videoing, you will never get the full potential of colours, if that makes sense. Which is kind of sad because you guys can't see like how gorgeous these are in real person. They're so lush. But yeah, beautiful colours, very happy with it. And there's a variety here, so it's definitely something that you could like get a lot out of, you know, not a little, you can get a lot out of this set because there's a big variety. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I do have a discount code with Beetles, by the way. This is PR, by the way. They sent me this, so thank you Beetles for sending me this, of course. So anyway, what we're doing is we're just doing the swatches quickly just so you can see. This brush was a little weird. I don't know what happened to it. And the second purple, the one that's in the very corner there, half the brush seemed to be missing. It was weird. The brush wasn't as thick as the other ones. It was really thin. I don't know what happened. It still worked. It was a very thin and small brush. Perfect for cuticle areas, I suppose. So as you can see, nice big variety of colours. Definitely not complaining, but you guys know what I'm like with gel polish. I'm obsessed with gel polish. Nothing is very similar neither, so yeah, you get like a dark yellow, a light yellow, a dark blue, a light blue, dark green, light green. So you literally have, yeah, I'm trying to show you on my apparently hairy arm the colour swatches. So I was swatching on top of that rainbow thing, and I thought that's probably not the best one to swatch on top of. So yeah, you get the background of the white, the blue of the glove, and of course the skin. So now we are just going to jump into the actual design. So I'm absolutely loving the the Lazy Girl Femi Beauty slash apres method at the minute. Oh, this is from the Bay collection as well, from Beetles. 929. I absolutely love that nude. It's my favourite nude at the moment. But anyway, going back to the nails, sorry. I'm using Rosalind. Yeah, Rosalind. Is it Rosalind? Rosalind, I think it is. I'm using their clay to just put it into the nail bed area of the nail, and then I'm going to press it on like the apres method, but also it's the Femi Beauty method. I don't know who come up with this one first, because I know Femi done the full cover. I think apres come up with this one. I'm not sure, but they are very similar, and I want to give credit, but I'm not sure, and I don't want to not give credit, if that makes sense, because people do get angry if you don't give credit, even though I always give credit. I'm never one to steal ideas. So anyhow, I do this to every single nail. I put the poly gel into the nail bed area of the nail, press it onto my nail, make sure there's no air bubbles, stick it in my lamp for 30 seconds and cure, and then I move on to the next nail. And then when I'm finished doing all 5 fingers, I do a full cure in my nail lamp for 60 seconds to make sure that the poly gel is all secure. Clear poly gel is obviously going to cure faster, and it's probably the best to do for this method. You can also use builder gel, acrylic. You can use base coat even if you don't have any poly gel. You can use the base coat from this kit. It's really simple. Of course, before doing this, you would need to prep your natural nail. I will leave a video in the cards of how to do that. It's just a quick 2-minute video so that you understand how to prep your nail. I thought it was easier than like doing it in every video, because as you guys know, I like to pop my nails off and stuff like that, and easily removal. So yeah, this Rosalind clay is really clear, by the way. Look how clear. I love clear glass nails, but yeah. So anyway, what you would do next, because I took these off not that long after, what you would do is you would file away the shine off of the nail tips, go in with some base coat, and then go in with your colour. But because I was taking these off, because I've actually pre-recorded a couple of videos this week, so yeah, I've done 3 sets so far. I think you've already seen the Femi Beauty, yeah, the 2 sets there. This is the 3rd one, so it doesn't actually seem like much now because I would have already released the first video before this one, but still. So yeah, basically what I'm doing now is I'm just painting an even thin layer on the nails themselves. I'm actually using my non-dominant hand to do this because I'm doing my dominant hand today. I wanted to just, yeah, I don't know, I like the clicky clacky of my fingers. I haven't had I don't really put false nails on my non-dominant hand that often anymore. So yeah. Sorry, my chest is still a little bad. Hopefully it'll get better very, very soon. I'm drinking lots of tea and sucking lots of lozenges and lockets, sorry. Yeah, lozenges. You know what I mean. So basically, if I got any gel on my skin, I just used a cleanup brush and some acetone and wiped away that gel off of my skin. Do not cure it to your skin because it can cause allergies and contact dermatitis. But yeah, I just slowly painted, like you just take your time. When you're doing your non-dominant hand, when you're using your non-dominant hand to paint your dominant hand, sorry, that's all, I always get mixed up with that. Always take your time, you don't have to rush. Because there is no rush. So yeah, so anyway, now what I'm doing is I'm just putting some colours onto my resin palette here. I decided to pick a pastel yellow, a light pink, pastel purple, a lighter blue, that mint green colour because it's absolutely stunning, and then that shifting glitter that was my favourite one. It was like shifting from pink to purple to yellow, I think. I can't remember. You'll see it now in a second. It's got a couple of different shifts, but it's beautiful. So what I'm doing first is I'm just using my dotting tool, dipping it into the palette, gel polish on the palette, sorry, and I'm just doing dots up my nail. This nail is just dots. So simple, so easy. I absolutely love it. I'd done a video a couple of weeks ago on my TikTok, and I really liked the idea, so I decided to do it again. But this time I thought I'll do it with pastels and stuff like that with this kit. So I'm just alternating between the colours, and it's just dotting next to it, trying to make it as even as possible. Like I said, I'm using my non-dominant hand. It's just kind of pain to try, but the best thing to do is steady your hand. There's that glitter one. You steady your hand by making sure both hands are rested on something. Don't like float in the air, because if you float in the air, you're not gonna get a very clean line, and it's going to look really weird. Or, well, dots, lining, whatever. You know what I mean. So anyway, once I'd finished doing all the dots, I then stuck my hand in the nail lamp and I cured for just 30 seconds because these are small little dots, and I do plan to do a full cure at the very end. So something was going on with my liner brush here. I did start off with this one, but I changed it in the end because it was doing my head in. So the next nail, I decided to do that trend where you do all the swirls. I've noticed that these are a trend at the minute. Dots and swirls. Dots and lines and swirls. Liney swirls? Swirly lines. Swirly lines, I think it is. There we go. That's probably the best one. So what I'd done is I would do my swirly line. I'd cure, flash cure for like 30 seconds. Do another swirly line in a different colour. Cure. And I just kept doing that. And I alternated between... so I'd done that shiny pinky silver purple gel polish. Then I'd done this purple. Then I'd done the pink. Then I went back in... excuse me. My chest is still pretty bad. Then I went back in with that glitter and I just topped up the centre because I'd like gotten a little bit of gel on it, because again, this isn't my dominant hand, so it's kind of hard. Then I do the yellow, the blue and the green on the cuticle area down the bottom, and I use the glitter again. And then I outline these two colours here with more of that glitter gel polish. So yeah, then the next nail, which is my ring finger, I leave blank. Sorry, I keep coughing. Yeah, decided to have a little hack and cough and cackle off of the voice recording. I do apologise for my coughing if it bothers anyone. I don't think it will, but you know what people are like. Anyhow, the ring finger I leave completely blank because I was gonna do I'm going to do a bling nail on the ring finger and my thumb. And then the last nail is basically a big line of this beautiful glitter, because I couldn't stop using this glitter gel polish. And then dots of each colour around the swirl. I just wanted to do something that was simple, but like very, like every nail was a little different, but it all still like went together, if that makes sense. I absolutely love these gel polishes. They are, I love that mintish sort of green, aqua green, whatever you want to call it, colour. I think these colours are just beautiful, guys. But other than that, I then went on to my ring finger and my thumb, and I used Macart rhinestone glue to adhere my gems on. I should have cleaned up the thumb a little better. You can see some of the rhinestone glue. Basically what I do with that is I just use a brush and brush it so it smooths out. I don't know, I was tired by this point because I'd done 3 sets of nails in one day and I was just exhausted, and I've also already edited a video. So yeah, I was like, no, let's just get these rhinestones on because I've got to edit this video now. As much as I love doing videos and nail sets, sometimes the editing can take a long time and it's a little bit tiring, not gonna lie, but yeah, I love doing it, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, once I was done, I stuck on some cuticle oil. I was losing daylight, so the reveal shots, they're not like bright sun shots, unfortunately, but they're still pretty and you can still see like a bit of daylight in the shade. And also I do some shots inside as well. But other than that, guys, that was pretty much it. Really simple and easy set to do, and it's also really cute. It's very summery, but not too out there. You can do this design on short nails as well, just of course it'd be a shorter nail and you won't have to add as much gel polish. But yeah, I really like doing this set. I'm really enjoying like doing like little nail sets every day lately. I don't know what it is with me. Maybe I have no idea. I love doing nails anyway, but you know when like sometimes you lose like inspiration and then it finally hits and you're like, oh, about time. So yeah, other than that, guys, like I said, top coat, add some cuticle oil, and that was pretty much the set. We're going to top coat now. But I am going to leave it here because the rhinestones, You don't need me to talk through rhinestones, it's pretty straightforward. I use my crystal katana and stuff like that, but I will link everything down below in the description box, as always. But other than that, guys, I'm going to love and leave it here. I'm going to just put some music on so you guys can enjoy the last of the video. Don't forget to stick around and see the reveal shots. If you did like the video, I forgot what I was saying then. Gosh, my brain really does decide to just shut off halfway through a sentence sometimes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to keep on smiling. Don't forget to stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.